Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iOS 18. 5 is active and you have enough free space. This prevents crashes. Once done, download Genmoji from the App Store and grant camera and photos access so the app can capture and save images. Next, sign in with your Apple ID or create the lightweight account Genmoji requires. This links your preferences and keeps things synced. Make sure location access is off unless you need it, and tap Create New to begin the first emoji generation. You choose capture or upload based on whether you want a live shot. For self-portraits, use the front camera and steady lighting so facial features read clearly. Then pick a style preset, cartoon, realistic, or minimal, and adjust sliders for expression, color saturation, and detail to fine-tune the output. This is where you control personality. Once done, add mask, background, and accessory layers to polish the composition and preview at full size, because what looks fine small may change when exported. You export as PNG for static icons or animated apping for motion. Choose 72 dpi for messaging and 300 dpi for print. After export, install the file to your iOS keyboard or share directly to Messages, Notes, or social apps. Make sure to enable the custom keyboard in settings if you want quick typing access. If export fails, check app permissions and free storage, force quit the app, and restart. If that does not work, re-import the image and retry, because corrupted caches often cause failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.